To start using the MyClick POS system, go to Cash and Form. Input the amount. Then click Accept button. The amount entered can be used as change money or a turnover amount to the cashier. After inputting the cash amount, you may close the system and provide a security password and the system is closed. From the POS menu, scan or select items to purchase, or type any character of the item code. If availing for more than one using same item, change it on the quantity field to sum up the amount. To pay in cash, click the Payment button. Enter the amount of money in cash tendered field. Then press Enter key. The change will appear on the menu. The printer will print the invoice and the cash drawer will open. From the POS menu, click Search button. Scan or select items to purchase, or type any character of the item code. For adding another item, select the item on the list. To pay in credit card, click the Payment button. Click the Charge Detail button. Select from the list of credit card banks. Swipe the card or input the credit card number. Input the name of the cardholder, the expiry date of the credit card, approval code and the amount. Then press Enter key. The change will appear on the menu. The printer will print the invoice and the cash drawer will open. From the POS menu, type any character of the item code. To select the item to purchase. When payment is to be made, click the CRP button. Scan or type the CRP's code, then press Enter key. And then proceed with the payment procedure. First, do the process of selecting the item. From the list of items to be purchased, highlight the item that is to be deleted by clicking the Delete button. Then proceed with the payment procedure. First, do the process of selecting the item. From the list of items to be purchased, select if all items will be given discounts or not, then proceed with the payment procedure. From the POS menu, click the Fund Transfer button. Click Add button or press F10 key. Input the amount of the money, but remarks it is optional, and click OK button and will print a receipt. Or you may void the fund transfer by clicking the Void button, or press F11 key, then provide an authorized username and password. Then click OK button, then close the fund transfer form. To use gift certificate, click the Payment button. Then click GC button. Enter the gift certificate number and the amount. Then press Enter key. Proceed with the payment procedure. Click the Gift Receipt button. Input the invoice number. Then select an item to delete and leave the item as a gift. Then click Save button and gift receipt is printing. Highlight the item for exchange. Then click the Exchange button and input the previous invoice number and will ask to continue, then click Yes button. negative sign on the amount and quantity will appear. To replace the price of an item, highlight the item. Click the item price change button. Provide a security code, then press enter key. Edit the price of the item, then press enter key. Proceed with the payment procedure. To use rebate, click the payment button. Then click rebate button. Enter the rebate certificate number and the amount, then press enter key. Do the same if to add more rebate. Proceed with the payment procedure. To pay in split, click the payment button. Click the charge detail button. Swipe the card or input the credit card number. Input the name of the cardholder, the expiry date of the credit card, approval code and the amount, then press enter key. To process the other half of the split payment, click the payment button. Enter the amount of money in cash tendered field, then press enter key. The change will appear on the menu, printer will print the invoice and the cash drawer will open. To make a VAT exemption procedure, click the VAT exempt button. Input the foreign dignitary name or code, then press enter. Proceed with the payment procedure. To void a sales transaction, click the Invoice button. Select the invoice number from the list. Then click Void Invoice button. Input other remarks, optional and the name of the customer. Then click OK button and print the voided invoice receipt. Daily sales closing. From the back office menu in its submenu process, double-click the daily sales closing. Highlight the date and click the OK button to close the daily sales. Inventory details. From the Inventory Management menu, double-click the Inventory Details module. You may select from tabs either by item code or location. From the By Item tab, explore through the item category to check the inventory details. From the Location tab, select the location and explore, then check the inventory details. Location. From the Configure menu, double-click the location. To define new location, click the New button and the location form appears. Input location code, location description. Select the company code and location type on the list. Check the main location and input values in other fields which are optional, and click Save button to save the new defined main location. From the Inventory Management menu, double-click the Physical Count menu. A Physical Count Plan form appears. Click the New button to create new count plan. Select the count type, the count date, and the prepare date. Click the Count Sheet button and a count sheet form appears. Click New button to create new count sheet. Select the location level, then click the Create Count Sheet button. Then a progress bar appears processing the count sheet creation for each check location. After the count plan is created, run the Upload Count application. This application is meant to upload prepared actual physical count of the items. With the application open, type in the location code, plan count, and count sheet number based on the count sheet form. Then select the prepared Excel physical count file and click the Upload button to start processing upload. After successfully uploaded the file, close the Upload application and click the Refresh button of the count sheet form. Promotional discount. To create new promotional discount, click New button. Input remarks, which is optional, then click Save button to save the promotional discount header. On the Detail menu, click the New button, then select item one by one or select all by clicking the Select All button. Input the discount by amount or discount by percentage. Select the date when the promotion will start and ends, then click Save button to save the changes. Click the destination location and select from the destination of the promo and click Save button to save the changes. Click the Post Transaction button to post the promotional discount, then provide an authorized username and password. Pullout. From the Outbound Traffic menu, double-click the Pullout module. To create new Pullout transaction, click the New button, select destination location and provide info on the other optional fields. Then click Save to save the Pullout header. On the Detail, click the New button, click the Search button and then select the item by clicking the Save button. Or double-click the item and check the Damage button. Click the Post Transaction button to post the Pullout transaction by providing authorized username and password. Receiving. For Receiving module, click the New button to create new receiving transaction, then a receiving header form appears. Fill up the fields like the main location, which already sets to a default value. Then click the Save button to save the receiving header information. To proceed with the receiving details, scan or search the item through the Search button. Select the item, change the value of quantity, then click Save button. Then proceed to posting transaction. Return. Click New button to create a new return transaction. Select Supplier. The optional fields are date, return, prepared by, remarks, then click Save button. Click New button of the return detail. Click the Search button and then select the item by clicking the OK button or double-click the item. Click the Edit button on the return detail to change the return quantity of the item, then click Save button to save the changes. Then proceed to posting transaction. Stock transfer. Click New button to create a new stock transfer transaction. Then fill out the needed details. Click New button of the stock transfer detail. Click the Search button and then select the item by clicking the OK button. Then edit the pick quantity of the item and click Save. Do the same process with posting transaction. Store Personnel. Go to Store Personnel module. Create new personnel by clicking New button. And provide the CRP code and CRP name. And click Save. Terminal. Go to POS Terminal module. To create new POS terminal, click New button. Input terminal code and description. Also select the location code. Input 0 to current invoice and computer name, then click Save. For inquiries, visit our website at www.myclicktech.com or email us at sales@myclicktech.com or call us at 759-3356 or 759-4139 or visit our office from Monday to Friday at Unit 209B, Mile Long Building, Amor Solo Street, Legazpi Village, Makati City.